We've only just begun. We've only just begun. We've only just. Yo, I know I shouldn't. Yo, I shouldn't drink the cold water before I start, you know. Cause I don't want to. We've only just begun. First, you have to know the melody. Then, with the melody, you get the words. I normally don't remember the words. We've only just... That's my head voice. Yes, Rasta, it's 2021. Look to the lens and not to the monitor. A lot of people look to the monitor just to see themselves, but look to the lens. So lens, monitor. Monitor, lens. Okay? Okay. I've never done an unboxing video before, and this is my first. I've unboxed a lot of stuff over the years, ton loads, but I've never done an unboxing on camera. So why I decided to do an unboxing on camera at this time? Well, Lord of mercy. Well, I decided to do an unboxing because, stop the foolishness. I waited about more than 5 years for this camera, mirrorless. I bought the first version, 7 years ago or more, the a7S. And then the second version came out. I say, I did have my FS7 at the time. And I say, we'll just go on batter with the a7S. So when the a7S3 came out, I was like, I had to get it. I wanted to upgrade my FS7 and get the FX9. It's good to start off here because it is about 5 years plus of the FS7, and it's still a go on, the workhorse horse. We've only just begun. We've only just begun. The romance is not over. I got a lot of love to give. Here it is. The new kid on the block. The mirrorless. I also got the CF Express, some new Sony cards. These are some 160 gig. The first time I shot the a7S3, it was on a phase 3 shoot, and I was blown away by the battery life and the viewfinder. The viewfinder is one of the best viewfinders I have seen in a camera for a long time. It's just weird though how Sony can put a viewfinder like that. It's a technology still. They can put a viewfinder like this in a mirrorless, and you don't put like a $10,000 US FS7 at the time. You could have bring up the viewfinder a little bit up to specs, because you pay, I guess you're 6 or 1 or half a dozen of that. I don't know. Sharon will go look for me here. But the viewfinder, the electronic viewfinder is exceptional, as well as the autofocus. I think with the technology of how the cameras are now in terms of the processing, The autofocusing on this is by far, you don't even need a focus puller anymore, but hey, there's more of gimbal stuff and yeah. So anyway, let me stop blabbering and pull the box of the a7S coming around the mountain when she come. Anyway, stop the foolishness. All right, pulling it for the first time. Oh, wow. Oh, the smell of success. Ta-da-da. This is... Oh, it come with the cable. Always love how how stuff smell when you just pull it. There's a lot of manual. We don't really read the manual still, but it's good for read the manual them. This is they have it in different languages. I just need the English one. All right. Nice. Can I use this from a drone? Can I use this a short cable from a USB-C or whatever? I don't even know the name of the card. Need glasses. Yo. The strap. Yeah, the first generation they didn't put A7S on it. They just put A7. This was just A7, and I didn't like that because when you buy a gear and there's a lot of money, it's nice to have all of the name of the gear on the thing. So kudos for Sony for putting A7S 3. So I will be having this over my shoulder, like, yeah, you know, it's gonna shoot some stuff later, right? So it's being an idiot. Comes with a charger as well. And there's a meeting in my bed. Charger cable. Boom, 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 boom. Battery. All everything. You know, I will be keeping this with all the other boxes. I think I'm a hoarder. Yeah, hoarder. It's something that I need to get out of. Too much boxes, but this worth keeping. I said that with all of them. Dun 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 dun. Mine. Fimi. Not ours. What I love with this, little bit lighter than. I like how the flip out screen, which is cool. Headphone jack, nice. Two headphones jack, two headphones. Wow. Big SDMI. Not big, what do you call it? Whatever SDMI cable input. So this is the unboxing of the General. There's a meeting in my. Yeah. Where the battery come charge? Turning it on for the first time and on. Yo, all right. English. Enter date. January the 1st. Yeah. January the 2nd, 2021. 7:58. What? Trust me, man, I set up this thing from 7:59 p.m. No. Menu is okay. Cancel menu. What is okay? Oh, the battery won't charge. On this touch screen, people, HD. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to shoot HD more stuff for now. Movie settings. Recording settings. I want everything at 10-bit. Everything at 10-bit 422, 50 megapixel. 50, I don't understand that. So if I put it on, I don't like that. I like when you can dial in your frame rate. I don't like that. Like the broadcast cameras, which is, I like that option to dial in your frame rates in increments, 1 frame, 2 frame, than giving me set frame rates. Because sometimes I don't want 60p, or sometimes you want it a little bit faster than 60. So that's a thing too where you could give me the option. Can be done. 10-bit 422. Okay. Frame rate 30. Why keep on jumping? I don't know why do that. File SD. Why jumping from media? Anyway, I'm going to charge the battery because I don't want it to. I don't want what do you call it? I don't want to drain the battery too much. I'm going to charge the battery and then we'll go from there. So that was my. So this was my first unboxing of the a7S3. What is it? Still looking at the monitor. Look at the lens. Look at the lens. Look at the lens. Look at the lens. Look at. I don't remember the song though. Man, show the fear. Out there the fear. Being down. Okay, may I sweat now? How the song go again? You don't hear me. Go ahead. Walk and talk. Anyways, that was my first unboxing. Hope you like. So if you like, subscribe. The notification bell is somewhere. There's no bell. I'm just kidding. I might start that soon. But it feels nice. It feels nice. Peace.